Hello travelers, good morning. Today is a little bit of a different kind of video. Hello again, friends and travelers. Today is the travel day. We're going to Sapporo. Video to show what some vegan options are at the airport so that when you're traveling, you're not starving. We are going to split this video into two. One day is going to be an airport video talking about vegan finds in the airport, which that's today's video, and just navigating through the airport, seeing what Haneda Airport is like. We're going to be in Terminal 1 for the domestic travels. So yeah, we're going to share a vegan's guide to eating at Haneda Airport. Then the next day's video is going to be the one that you voted on, where we are going around Sapporo. The restaurants, everybody picked a different restaurant. So we're going with the first commenter's restaurant choice, which is Veggie Way. We made a reservation for that. We don't know if you have to make a reservation or if it's an option just in case they're busy, but we made one just in case, and we'll ask when we get there if we need to make a reservation or if walk-ins are okay. But we'll be eating at Veggie Way, and everyone seemed to agree on just walking around the city and seeing what's around. So after we eat, we're gonna explore the city and see if there's anything cool around to do. And if there is, we'll stop in and check it out. And if not, we're just gonna get some beautiful shots of the city. In addition to the guide to what to get at the airport if you are a vegan traveling in Japan from Haneda Airport, we're also going to share the hotel with you, because usually when we have our work trips, we stay at a Toyoko Inn, but that's not the case this time. We're staying at a different hotel. So we want to show off what the new hotel is like. All right, that's all for now. Let's get ready to head out on our flight and go to Sapporo. See you soon. If you're going to fly in or out of Tokyo, there are two options for you: Haneda Airport and Narita Airport. We recommend using Haneda because it's much more convenient and easier to get through. We hadn't eaten breakfast, so our first mission was to find something to eat in the airport. Today we were flying from Terminal 1, which has less options than Terminal 2, but we welcomed the challenge. Before going through the gates, we discovered you can grab some fruit at a small shop on the first floor. Or a fruit stand near the elevator. We got to the airport early so we could do some exploring as well, and discovered the Haneda Airport Museum on one of the upper floors. This exhibition is for a limited time and will be replaced after September. It was neat to learn about the different aircrafts that fly out of the airport, see the pilot and flight attendant outfits throughout the years, and learn the origins of Haneda Airport. We were running out of time though, so we had to head through the security gate and get our food before our flight took off. There's one vegan restaurant in Terminal 1 that was recommended, and we'd been waiting to try it. It was surprisingly difficult to find, though. Our gate was on the opposite end of the terminal from the restaurant, so we had to rush there in order to get something before takeoff. It's called chaya. There are a couple of vegan options on the menu, and we chose to get the pasta and margarita pizza. There are also salads and sandwiches to choose from, as well as small snacks and curries that you can take with you. Well worth the hunt. The noodles are super yummy, and it's got a little spice to it. Usually stuff in Japan doesn't have a kick, but this does, and it's good. Definitely enjoying it. I'm glad we searched around for it like a chicken with our head cut off.
Pizza was good, not too cheesy, but at least it had cheese, and the crust is a little softer than we like, but at least it's not thick.
Most large train stations will have an information center where you can get a map of the area showing what attractions are around. We made sure to pick one up before heading out so we could see the possibilities of what we'll do for this trip. All right, y'all, it's time for the room tour at Hotel, what is it called? Hotel Hamilton, Sapporo. Small bathroom, to be expected. This is not a fancy hotel. In fact, it's an older style than the ones we usually stay in because it doesn't even have the automatic lock door or the key card activated light switch. So there's that. And then we've already settled in a little bit before we went out to do the choose your own adventure that you guys picked, but more on that tomorrow. But yeah, it's a simple room. You know, you got your kettle, hair dryer. I don't know what this is for your shoes because it's right next to the shoe horn is my guess. TV, bed, ignore that, bed with night clothes that they automatically give to you. And our window view is just city. I don't know if you can really tell, but yeah, it's too dark to tell. Maybe we'll get some footage in the morning. This is our desk. Also, don't judge. We have our food from the restaurant that you guys chose and some extra snacks for editing tonight. It's just got, what, 2 drawers. Nothing crazy. But yeah, it's just a little, it's the most basic room you could probably ever get in Japan. But it's an okay size. Like, I feel like I could do the morning calisthenics in here and I could exercise in here. It's even got a little bit of an echo. I still kind of prefer the Toyoko Inn rooms only because they're a little bit more modern, but this is not bad. It's not bad. And it's only one night, and we didn't even spend most of the day in here because we were out enjoying the choose your own adventure activities. But yeah, just a simple room. Speaking of the choose your own adventure activities, you guys picked right. You guys picked 100% right for these activities.